If you are a tourist and you're yet to visit Arinta Waterfalls, then you are missing a great deal. Arinta Waterfall is one of the finest tourist destinations in Nigeria. The road that leads to the fall passes through the Ikogosi Tourist Center, located at Ipole, Iloro, Ekiti State. It's a few minutes to Ikogosi Warm Spring from Ado Ekiti, the capital city. Before I continue, I'm Dennis Shukwebuka Okeke, aka Onyenjem, one of Africa. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Onyenjem TV. After watching this video, do well to like, comment and share this video. Thank you. Let's get back to the story. Tourists who feel the cold effect of this fall from about 10 meters away. Arinta Waterfall consists of 7 different falls. Everyone that goes to Arinta Waterfall gets to the first layer. To go further will now depend on every visitor capability to get to others falls. Each falls has unique features. The water from the fall is believed to have medicinal value. It is said that it has the power to cure skin diseases. However, the waterfall is not regarded as a deity or worship. There is a paved stone of about 25 centimeters in diameter in one of the 7 falls of the waterfall. It is called the Wonderful Stone. It is said that no one on earth can lift the stone. Since Arinta Waterfall has been known, nobody till date has been able to lift the stone. The stone is believed to be a real mystery. The community harboring this waterfall, Ipole or Iloro, is a rural settlement surrounded by undulating mountains, thick evergreen forests and flowing rivers. Arinta Waterfall is a place for relaxation, picnic, mountain climbing, bush trails, hiking and many more. It is a wonderful sight to behold. Do well to like, comment and share this video. Thank you.